Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to remove a line from your T-Mobile account, it is important to understand the process before making any changes because removing a line can affect billing, devices, and even the phone number connected to that account. Sometimes people no longer need an extra line, want to lower monthly cost, or are switching someone to another carrier. Many users think deleting a line is instant, but there are a few things to check first, especially if the line has a payment plan or active services attached to it. Taking the right steps can help avoid confusion or unexpected charges later. The process is usually simple, but it must be handled carefully to make sure the correct line is removed. In this video, I will show you step by step how to remove a line from your T-Mobile account. Try these. Step 1. Sign in to your T-Mobile account using the T-Mobile app or T-Mobile website. Step 2. Open the line management section inside the T-Mobile account to view active lines. Step 3. Select the specific line from the T-Mobile account that you want to remove. Step 4. Contact T-Mobile customer support from the T-Mobile account if direct removal is unavailable. Step 5. Review any billing or device balance linked to the T-Mobile line before confirming removal. Step 6. Confirm the request in the T-Mobile account and check that the T-Mobile line has been removed.